from LiceDoctors, and today we're going to be discussing, can you use mayonnaise to kill lice? The answer is yes, but we do not recommend it. Mayonnaise acts as a suffocant. In other words, you can put mayonnaise all through your hair and it will ultimately kill the lice. The reason for that is it's thick and it gets into the breathing apparatus, and the lice will die eventually. The problem is that the mayonnaise dries and becomes cake-like, and then it's impossible to comb the bugs and eggs out of the hair. So in other words, what you want to do is put something on the hair, cover the hair so that the bugs are suffocating in some kind of liquid or some kind of product. And in the case of mayonnaise, it will be fine at first because if you work quickly, you can comb through while the mayonnaise is still gel-like. But very quickly, the mayonnaise is going to congeal and and then start to cake. And then it gets very hard, and then you cannot get the comb through. We have had that experience. It's a nightmare. You literally have to wash the hair several times in order to get the mayonnaise out. So there are much better solutions than using mayonnaise. We personally at LiceDoctors, we prefer olive oil. Olive oil does the same thing. It will suffocate the bugs and it will loosen the eggs, but it does not become a solid. And so therefore you have time to comb through the hair and get the bugs and the eggs out before, and the product olive oil will not solidify. So for people who use mayonnaise, what they do is they apply the mayonnaise to the hair, and then they take a lice comb, hopefully a good quality lice comb, a metal comb, and they section the hair like this, and they start to comb. And they comb down, and as with any product that you put in the hair in order to kill the bugs, as you comb, the best thing to do is to take that comb and wipe it on a wet paper towel. Just wipe it on the paper towel to get the bugs off and the eggs out. Then you take the next section of hair, you comb through, you wipe it on the paper towel, and again, you will be wiping the bugs out of the comb so that you can continue to use the comb. However, as I said before, and I reiterate, mayonnaise is not the medium to use. It is too thick, it solidifies, and then it's impossible to use. Another problem with mayonnaise is it starts to become rancid pretty quickly, and then it smells. And then you've got a smelly caked mess in your hair. So if you are thinking about using mayonnaise, we would recommend that you give it a second thought, and instead of mayonnaise, use something like olive oil or another suffocant that works better without the side effects of mayonnaise. And thank you. That's Karen from LiceDoctors, discussing different types of lice products and different types of lice treatments, and mayonnaise is not the one that we recommend. Thank you.